Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to connect Semrush to Data Studio. First, I want you to come here and head over to Data Sources in your Looker Studio account. And then once you're here, I want you to come down here and click on this, okay? Create a new data source button. Go ahead and click on that. Come here and search for Semrush in the search bar to display different connectors. Okay, go ahead and do that. As you can see right here, we have a different connector showing up. And I want you to just go ahead and select the one you need to report on your Looker Studio report. For example, this one right here, right? And you will actually be asked to authorize the connection for both properties, okay? So you just want to come here and click on authorize, and then just go over here and approve, right? Approve passing position tracking info to Looker Studio. So just go ahead and click on this button right there, and then you should get this page right here. Basically, your Semrush and Looker Studio account is now connected. Okay, and you can now configure the connection as per your needs. And it's really that easy and simple.